Welcome, here I've got iPad Air 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar here from the right and going up to the slow motion. We can start recording this kind of video now by using this big red button, so let me start to show you how it looks like. To stop, let's tap again on this button, and now let's move here to this square so we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our slow motion video. This is how it looks like at this device. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.